Magnesium is a mineral found in many types of food. It plays an essential role in human DNA production, repair, and in maintaining healthy bones, nerves, and muscles. Though it is readily available, most Americans do not meet their need for magnesium through their diet. You should consider getting your magnesium level checked if you suffer the following 11 symptoms. 1. Low energy. Magnesium is involved in at least 300 different chemical reactions in our body, and a lot have to do with energy production. A sign of low magnesium can be low energy. 2. Insomnia. If you're having a hard time falling or staying asleep, it may be due to low levels of magnesium, particularly if you're experiencing a lot of stress. Stress hormones increase blood pressure and heart rate. This is partly accomplished by depleting the body of its magnesium. If there isn't enough magnesium available for the body to replenish itself, sleeping becomes a problem. 3. Constipation. Bowel movements often slow down without enough magnesium in the body. Note that magnesium is the main ingredient in many over-the-counter laxatives. 4. Frequent headaches. Magnesium deficiency lowers serotonin levels, causes blood vessels to constrict, and affects neurotransmitter function, all related to headaches, especially migraines. 50% of migraine sufferers have a magnesium deficiency. 5. Twitching or cramping. Because magnesium plays an important role in muscle relaxation, insufficient intake can result in unintended muscle movement. Without magnesium, our muscles would be in a constant state of contraction. 6. Low bone density. Magnesium plays a major role in bone formation, and the majority of the body's magnesium is stored in the bones. People with higher intakes of magnesium have a higher bone mineral density. 7. High blood pressure. Magnesium is very important in maintaining a healthy blood pressure. A deficiency can definitely cause pressure to be too high. Eating foods high in magnesium and other minerals can help prevent high blood pressure in people with pre-hypertension. 8. Type 2 diabetes. Breaking down blood sugars is another of magnesium's job in the human body. People with higher amounts of magnesium in their diets tend to have a lower risk of developing diabetes. Research is ongoing to determine whether magnesium therapy can be used in diabetes treatment. 9. Irregular heartbeat. With low magnesium levels, the heart can have trouble staying in its regular rhythm. Doctors will often prescribe magnesium supplements for patients who complain of an irregular heartbeat. 10. Increased sensitivity to noise. Not having enough magnesium curtails its role in stabilizing the nervous system. This often results in hyperreflexia, an enhanced startle reflex. And 11. Depression and anxiety. Low levels of magnesium in the brain can affect neurological functions that result in all sorts of problems. Studies have shown that some phobias, such as agoraphobia, have developed as a result of low magnesium levels. Now, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health videos and natural remedies, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for instant notification. That way, you won't miss any video from us. Also, don't forget to check out our other health videos and recipes on our channel.